Hi, welcome to my channel. Do you guys want glowing skin in just 5 minutes? No fancy creams, no expensive salon visits, just pure natural ingredients straight from your kitchen. In this video, I'll show you how to make a powerful DIY face mask that leaves your skin soft, bright, and glowing instantly. So grab your bowl, a spoon, and let's glow up naturally. We all want that radiant, healthy look. Glowing skin is more than just beauty. It reflects health, hydration, and self-care. But harsh chemicals and pollution often leave our skin tired and dull. That's why DIY skincare is the answer. It's cheap, safe, and super effective. Ingredients you'll need: 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, optional for oily skin, rose water, for dry, sensitive skin, optional. These ingredients are packed with benefits. Honey hydrates and fights bacteria. Yogurt brightens and exfoliates. Turmeric reduces pigmentation and gives a natural glow. Lemon juice tightens pores and lightens spots. Rose water calms inflammation. Let's start with our today's DIY face mask preparation, step by step. Take a clean bowl and add 1 tablespoon of honey. Add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Add pinch of turmeric powder. Optional. Add a few drops of lemon juice or rose water depending on your skin type. Mix well until smooth. How to apply: wash your face with lukewarm water to open up pores. Use clean fingers or a brush to apply the mask evenly over your face and neck. Avoid the eyes and mouth area. Leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes only. This mask works fast. Within 5 minutes, you'll feel the refreshing magic. Rinse and amp. Results: rinse with cool water to tighten the pores. Pat your face dry with a soft towel. Instantly, your skin feels fresh, soft, and glowing. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Tips for long-lasting glow. Drink 8 glasses of water daily. Sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. Eat more fruits and greens. Avoid touching your face with dirty hands. Always remove makeup before bed. Natural glow comes from a healthy lifestyle plus gentle skincare. If you loved this DIY glow up, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more skincare hacks. And comment below, what's your favorite natural ingredient for skincare? Hit that bell so you never miss our next beauty secret.